Hi, my name is Reynold. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ngayon yung bagong update ng Builderall, which is the Builderall 4.0. Yan. Builderall 4.0 launching this coming October 1. So kung di mo alam ang Builderall is all-in-one marketing platform. No? So this coming October 1, meron silang mga new tools, mga updates, so Builderall, you can create website, you can create email marketing, chatbot. Meron din silang Google Calendar, booking calendar, video hosting, webinars. Maraming tools ang Builderall. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung screen ko para ma-share ko sa inyo na platform ng Builderall. No? So, kung wala pa kayo account sa Builderall, nilagay ko yung team account namin sa description ng video na to. Tapos, pwede kayo mag-create ng account sa Builderall. So, meron naman siyang tinatawag na 14-day free trial. So, pwede kayo mag-create ng account for 14 days. So, pwede kang mag-create ng website, email marketing. Ito yung email marketing, parang get response na or Aweber. Tapos, pwede ka rin mag-create ng course. Tapos, yung course mo, pwede mong gamitin as a lead magnet or pwede mong paid course. Yan, paid course. Video hosting yan. Video hosting parang YouTube, ganyan, Vimeo, Vistia. Booking, messenger chatbot, yan. So, maraming apps itong Builderall. Pero ang gusto ko i-share sa inyo ngayon, by October 1, is itong Builderall 4.0. So, this coming Thursday, may webinar na gagawin si Eric Salgado, yung CEO ng Builderall. Kung gusto niyo mag-attend, let me know. Message niyo ako para may bigay ko sa inyo yung link ng webinar pag available na. No? So, ito yung mga mangyayari after October 1 or October 1. Starting October 1 yan. So, magkakaroon ng super free plan. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-create ng account sa Builderall for free. Siyempre, meron ding premium plan. Yan. Ito yung mga naka-premium. $69.90 per month. Actually, mag-increase siya sa $99. Pero during the launching, kasi may promotion, 30% discount, $69.90 na. Saka may introduce silang another plan. So, watch out for this. Anyway, yan. May Builderall Funnel Club, $199. One-time payment lang yung $199. Tapos, yung $69.90, ito yung premium plan na. So, by October 1, pwede ka mag-create ng website agency. So, kung naka-premium account ka, premium account ka with Builderall, pwede kang mag-create ng sub-account. So, pwede kang magkaroon ng website agency. Let's say, mag-create ka ng website para sa may mga business owner kasi na gusto nila magkaroon ng website, online presence, pero they don't have time to learn how to create a website themselves. So, as a premium account ka ng Builderall, pwede kang mag-create ng website para sa kanila. So, mag-create ka ng sub-account under your account. And then, you can ask business owner na pwede mo sabihin sa kanila, I will create your account. And then, you can charge them. So, kahit magkano pa yung gusto mong i-charge dun sa mga business owner, kasi magiging agency ka na. So, pwede ka mag-charge ng magkano amount sa services mo. Tapos, mag-create ka ng sub-account under your premium account sa Builderall. Yun sa tawag na website agency. And also, starting October 1, nakipag-partnership ang Builderall with digital marketer. So you can enroll with this digital marketer for for $25 a month. So that means naka-premium account ka sa Builderall. Kung magdadagdag ka lang ng $25 per month, magkakaroon ka ng access sa platform ni Ryan Dice ng digital marketer. So yung Cheetah Builder will be completed. Itong Cheetah Funnel Builder. Ito yung pagka nag-create ka ng mga funnels, pwede mo munang i-map siya, parang mapa. So after this website, it goes to this, parang nakamapa siya. So gagawin mo siya yung map niya. Pag kinlik mo yung create, i-create niya lahat ng mga pages na nilagay mo doon, including the email marketing. Anyway, yung Cheetah Builder will be completed by October 1. So, sa ngayon kasi naka-beta pa siya, beta. Pero by October 1, kumpleto na siya, may out of beta na siya. Na. Tapos magkakaroon ka rin ng access sa Builderall Funnel Club. More than 300 funnel templates. And making promote sales lead, capture fund. Pwedeng mag-create ng email marketing, grow your email list using this template. Yan. Okay po, salamat. Thank you din, Oyster Palancos, for watching. Yan. By the way, let me know just sa comment kung saan mo napapanood to. Anyway, ito naman booking calendar app. Ito parang Calendly to, no? So, pwede ka mag-create ng booking app. So, let's say instructor ka or coach, yung mga ganun. Tapos gusto mo mag-schedule, may scheduling ka para malaman ng tao kailan ka available. At the same time, pagka may kumuha na doon sa slot ng availability na yun, hindi na pwedeng let's say, in one day, available ka from 8 to 5 p.m. So, anytime on that day, between 8 to 5, pwedeng magpa-schedule yung kliyente mo ng coaching. But pag may nagpa-schedule na let's say ng 11 to 12, hindi na yun magiging available sa iba. So, parang hindi magkakaroon ng conflict sa mga scheduling. Yun yung booking app. Builderall Design Tool. A tool for you to download hundreds of designs. So under the Builderall Design Tool, yan, magkakaroon ka ng mga images na pwede mong gamitin. Access sa mga images na pwede mong gamitin when you're creating a website. Yan. All copyright naman to. Prints. Kasi gawa nila yung images. Sila gumawa na. Super checkout with e-commerce. So, magkakaroon sila ng e-commerce with super checkout starting October 1. So, we'll find out more about this October 1. Tapos may Mockup Studio, Design Studio. So, may mga idadagdag sila sa new animated Mockup Studio. So, animated, no? Gumagalaw. So, we'll find out more about this now after October 1. Kasi ngayon may mockup na ngayon. I think idadagdag nila itong new animated. Tapos i-upgrade ng webinar platform. Yan. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng webinar. Kung gumagamit ka ng webinar platform, malaki binabayaran mo. Just use this Builderall. May kasama na siyang webinar na. So, hindi siya dagdag bayad. You can start a live recorded webinar or ghost audience with a ghost audience waiting room, tagging, automation, call to action, new layout, new screen, share screen layouts, and much more. So, pwede mong gamitin ng Builderall. Tapos, under Builderall, meron silang tinatawag na webinar platform. Yun nga, ito may agency. Builderall website agency. Tapos, marketplace. Let's say, meron kang tinatawag na course. Yan. Tapos, gusto mong ibenta yung course dito sa marketplace. Yan. So, magkakaroon ng access yung mga ibang member, affiliate ng Builderall. Makikita nila yung course mo. Pag bumili sila ng course mo, yan, pwede mong ibenta rito sa marketplace. At the same time, pwede mong affiliate yung course mo. Let's say, may mga ibang affiliate ng Builderall, ipopromote nila yung course mo. Yan. Tapos, may commission yung affiliate. Yan. So, pwede mong gawin yan dito sa Builderall marketplace. Tapos, i-upgrade nila yung share locker. Share locker means kung meron kang content, nakalock yan. For people to see your content, they have to share the link first. So, sineset up to, no? Under share locker para maging viral yung content mo. Tapos, chat builder and private chat builder. So, parang help desk. Pwede mong i-install to dun sa website na gagawin mo. So, ito yung mga isa sa mga ila-launch nila during this October 1, no? Ito yung mga explain ng CEO Eric Salgado, October 1, this coming Thursday. Yan, kung available ka, Yan, message mo ako para may send ko sa iyo yung link ng webinar. Yan, pag available na yung link. Anyway, my name is Reynold. Thank you for watching. Kung may question ka about Builderall, let me know dyan sa comment section. Yan. Interesado ka sa Builderall, nilagay ko rin sa comment section yung link ng team account namin para makapag-sign up, makapag-create ka na ng account sa Builderall. And kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to, please give me a thumbs up. At kung first time mo dito sa channel na to, please subscribe to this channel. Click mo na rin notification bell para ma-notify ka every time may mga in-upload akong video dito sa channel na to. Thank you for watching and I'll see you sa mga susunod na video. Bye!